Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video you will learn how to change caption font style of our phone Moto G04. First of all, go to settings of our phone here, then go to accessibility, and here select caption preferences, and here click on caption size and style. Here click on caption style. You can choose from the available options here. See here, I have chosen this captions will look like this. Okay, uh, I have now I have chosen blue background caption style. Okay, if you want to use customize caption style, click on customize, and here click on font family, and here you can choose choose from the available font. Okay, see here, font has been changed. Okay, I have changed the caption to this font. So in this way you can easily choose any font available here. Suppose if you want to set back to default font, click on default option and default font will be set. Okay, so in this way you can easily change caption font style in your phone Moto G04. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.